to another video. I'm Calypso. Today we got Telemachus and Ghost with us. Say hi, guys.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. So we're going to attempt to beat this game for the second time. First time was insane.
Go to church chat.
It's on this side. Oh, there he is. Get out!
What is wrong with you on a scale of from 1 to 10? A.
We're gonna watch you fail time and time again.
Okay, chat. You don't gotta.
Alright.
I'm not gonna call me out like that. Wait, I gotta move this stuff. Oh! Bro's drinking an
Ooh.
average cup of joe.
Who
Alright.
said that's coffee? That's probably vodka or something.
Bro, that is not. Vodka is not booty duty brown. What are you talking about?
Clear. Yeah, vodka is clear. I don't know what you're on about, bro.
I did not see the inside of the cup. I just saw the cup.
Oh, also, Ghost
You just saw the cup and you really thought vodka.
catching you up.
What?
I don't know if you've ever played the Drop Creation, but basically, we got cameras and fuses, and
It's a FNAF fan game.
yeah.
So
Yeah, is it just regular stuff, but just like better?
Yeah.
I mean, you
it's-
actually move around in this one.
It's a lot of moving around. A lot. Like an unhealthy amount.
Like, it's unhealthy
You
amount.
mean a healthy amount?
No, unhealthy.
Yeah. Alright, bro.
And you gotta find fuses.
Why
like
he
that.
snatched it up like that?
No,
though?
literally, he's so aggressive. He's so aggressive.
Yeah, he's so aggressive.
What's
for
up,
no
guys?
reason.
So
No,
aggressive with it. Ooh.
No, show Ghost the animation to open the little thing in the bag.
Oh, damn.
Ghost
Yeah,
reaction because
No.
they haven't seen us play this yet.
No, look at how aggressive it is.
No.
Hello guys!
Bro, swung that thing. Oh, damn! Relax, bro.
Look at it close.
Serious.
Bro, he's on a mission. My bro's on a
Bro's
mission.
got beef with everything.
Bro got beef with inanimate objects. That's crazy.
I think that door killed his wife or something.
Maybe that's why.
Yeah, I think all door. I think he just has trauma with doors, cause of this.
Bro, I
He
know.
played the Roblox version of Doors.
Bro,
He's
why?
traumatized.
He played too many doors.
By the way,
Your mom.
Big Slime just joined the call.
Big
Anyways,
slime.
can y'all see?
Oh god.
Oh yeah.
Yes, bro.
Oh yeah.
Is this?
Say hi to the chat, Big Slime.
Oh yeah, bro.
Bro, I didn't say be silent. I said say
That's
hi to the
crazy. Radio
chat. Are
silence.
you actually?
Hmm?
Say hi.
The
Hmm?
Huh?
man.
I'm munching down some gold.
He's eating, leave him alone.
Bro. How are you eating? This is not a mukbang video. Bro, you're messing that food up. This is not a mukbang video. What are you talking about?
Oh, literally, I was
Yo,
making
next video.
food.
Mukbang,
Like
yo.
yesterday's video, I was making food as the whole thing was happening. I was making a sandwich, and that sandwich was so good.
Hey,
Here you
I
go.
don't know.
He as always.
Peekaboo!
Damn.
He kind of looks like my dog a little bit.
Nah,
Your
bro.
dog is like
No,
9
stop.
feet tall and bites you when you flash a light at it.
Honestly, I think he is. I think he kind of looks like my dog. Just a little bit.
Have you
Bro has a
Have you
9
even
foot tall robot
have you even
dog.
seen your dog? Your dog is so tiny, bro. Your dog like literally is as tall as my ankles. Like he sits at my ankles, like bro. Hello?
It's
Bro got
fun.
that lean game.
I believe game.
Bro got that lean.
Bro,
Bro
blew
got
up.
that lean.
Bro,
Yo.
wait till you see Chica emerging from the freaking.
No, she literally
What?
like starts descending from the ceiling.
Okay. Speaking of Chica,
What?
she just freaking popped up in the corner of my screen.
Popped up a what?
She popped up in the corner of my
Oh.
screen. That's why your mother doesn't love you.
Damn!
I got a little angry.
Damn!
And I still got Freddy. I'm a genius.
Alright, bro.
Genius. Can you please stop?
Oh, bro.
I wanna fix main
Now go
first,
fix your
'cause
camera.
Oh yeah? I'm not gonna fix camera first, because every time I fix the camera first, I die.
Oh my god.
Chica, if you show up right now, you like men.
Huh, bro?
If Chica shows up right now,
What?
she likes me.
It's a robot. I don't think she likes anyone.
She shouldn't like anyone. She shan't like anyone.
She shan't. She shan't like anyone.
Yeah. She shan't like anyone. Hello?
Hello.
Unless we're on some
What?
unless she shan't like anyone, unless we're on some no, unless we're on some verbal ace type beat.
Bye. What's up, guys?
No.
It's Verbal Ace, beatboxer from outer space.
No.
Yo,
No.
shut
50k down the drain, chat. 50k down the drain.
Real. 50k down the drain.
You know what I could have done with 50k?
What?
Get a better equipment.
I don't know.
Yeah, actually, get a better mic.
Get a
Make your Wi-Fi.
scholarship.
My mic is fine.
Yeah, get a scholarship, matter of fact.
Go to a
Get
nice
bright
college.
futures, Right.
Maybe buy myself a car.
If I had 50,000, I'd buy something really fucking stupid.
That's why no one's giving you 50,000.
Like I had $15 the other day, and I spent like fucking 14 of them on a goddamn whirly hat.
What?
It was worth it. The propeller hat
Oh,
that I
what?
showed you. It was fucking awesome.
A propeller hat? You never showed me a freaking propeller hat.
Oh shit, I didn't?
No, what?
No. I
You know
think I
what?
would have vividly remembered if anyone showed me a propeller hat in my lifetime.
It's my propeller
What even
hat,
is a
actually.
propeller
Better.
hat?
It's like the shit that
Literally,
You don't
It's a hat
know a
with-
fucking propeller hat? Anyway.
Okay.
No.
Please. Get out of here.
It's literally those stupid hats that it's like a rainbow. It's,
It's
like,
like-
a stupid rainbow hat, and then it has a propeller on the top of it.
Yeah. It's
Oh, the
literally.
little helicopter-looking hat thingy.
Yes,
Yes.
that's literally what a propeller hat is.
So that's what it's
Do you
called.
not know what a propeller even is, bro? Like,
In my defense, I am Hispanic.
so
In
am
my
I, and I
defense,
know what
I'm
a
not
propeller
from
hat
this
is, bro.
country.
What are you talking about?
Oh my, I just bought one, dog. What do you mean? That's not how this works.
English is not my first language. How am I supposed to know what a fucking propeller hat is?
Well, there
Look
she
it up. I
goes.
don't know.
Just in time.
Feel like
Hello?
Bro, I had a second left.
Yeah, I have to like flash the cupcakes or she kills me.
Bro just like sprouted from the ceiling.
I'm a
bro.
cupcake.
I'm a guppy. Guppies don't smile, except for this one. I'm locking in this time, chat. Ain't no way I'm losing. Don't wish that upon me.
Don't say cuss words, guys. It is inappropriate and violent. If you say cuss words, you will go to jail and like eat broccoli for the rest of your life.
The fact that you quoted that whole thing.
Yeah, that's crazy.
No, the only reason why I know it is because my boyfriend knows the whole thing, and then he told me it.
Oh yeah.
Of course he does.
Rehab was supposed to be a fresh start.
Bro, huh?
Rehab.
Ain't no way.
Question mark?
That
Yeah,
part.
no.
Camera or main?
Main.
Balls.
Because every time I do camera, I literally like forget about
I mean,
main and
the
die.
cameras, like, I think you only have to do them when, like,
Okay.
oh, you forgot about Foxy.
Every time I do cameras, I literally die.
I every time I do cameras, I literally die. Doesn't do the cameras.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Oh my
You forgot to
god.
look up
explode.
Fox.
Oh my goodness.
You
He
were so
scared the
close. You
actual
lasted for quite a
bejesus
while.
out of me, bro. I was not expecting
One
him to
duck
come
got cooked.
running through the door.
Jesus.
My phone.
But now Fox is gonna be a problem.
There he is. Okay.
Yep.
There we go.
Also, that's how he kills you.
No. Come on.
Yep.
Where is bro? He's taking. Hey guys, it's day 3 of trying to beat this damn game. We stopped yesterday because I suck. So today we only have Telemachus in the building. But yeah,
Yeah.
let's just hope we win at this point. Because if not, I'm gonna cry. I need to beat this game like today. Okay, there's the second one.
We have to watch a guide, by the way.
Yeah, we were struggling, so we got some tips and tricks from this random guy on YouTube.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored, but I will probably have to shut him out. Oh, okay. I will probably have to shut him out because he deserves.
Yeah, shout out to him. Thank you.
Don't know his name, but I'll put it on the screen when I edit this. Okay. Oh my god. How many do we have left? 1! Oh my goodness. Bro, that's one more. We're one more away. Get that. Alright. I think low-key... Cam. Fix cam. I think... Oh my gosh. Can I find one more? Give me one more, please. Thank you. Perfect. Okay, if Chica comes, we're good. If Chica comes, we're golden. Okay. I'm glad I fixed this cam too. Oh my gosh. Okay, chat. He's right there. We win? We win. We win. We won.
Woo! We did it, boys. Oh god, that's not creepy at all.
Chat.
Turn on the light, bro.
I literally can't.
Oh, it's a cutscene? Oh, yeah.
Hello?
Creator, you are getting close.
How is any of this
The
possible?
threshold, the path. I can see the end.
Oh my god.
What are you? What does that even mean?
I was tripping.
It was off the saw. Bro, it's off that perk.
What was on that cover, bro?
We did it!
Nick.
Chat! We beat the game. Oh my goodness. Oh my
Please,
goodness.
dude, that took us 3 days.
Yo, this is gonna be a crazy part 2. But anyways, thank you. I'm definitely gonna buy this game when it comes out. On God, I am.
You
Anyways,
did that.
thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Say bye, Telemachus.
Bye.
Oh my gosh, we beat it. I'm actually so happy. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed that. So hope y'all enjoyed watching me
Only took
suffer
us 3
through 3
days.
days. Only took us 3 days. Anyways, love y'all. Bye.